Jellyfish. Jellyfish and sea jellies are the informal common names given to the medusa phase of certain gelatinous members of the subphylum Medusazoa, a major part of the phylum Cnidaria. Hi everyone, welcome back into my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. In today's video we are going to explore and learn jellyfish. Jellyfish are mainly free-swimming marine animals with umbrella-shaped bells and trailing tentacles, although a few are anchored to the seabed by stalks rather than being mobile. The bell can pulsate to provide propulsion for highly efficient locomotion. The tentacles are armed with stinging cells and may be used to capture prey and defend against predators. Jellyfish have a complex life cycle. The medusa is normally the sexual phase, which produces planula larvae that disperse widely and enter a sedentary polyp phase before reaching sexual maturity. Jellyfish are found all over the world, from surface waters to the deep sea. Scyphozoans, the true jellyfish, are exclusively marine, but some hydrozoans with a similar appearance live in freshwater. Large, often colorful, jellyfish are common in coastal zones worldwide. The medusae of most species are fast-growing and mature within a few months, then die soon after breeding, but the polyp stage, attached to the seabed, may be much more long-lived. Jellyfish have been in existence for at least 500 million years. Jellyfish are eaten by humans in certain cultures. They are considered a delicacy in some Asian countries, where species in the Rhizostome order are pressed and salted to remove excess water. Australian researchers have described them as a perfect food, sustainable, and protein-rich but relatively low in food energy. The name jellyfish, in use since 1796, has traditionally been applied to medusae and all similar animals including the comb jellies, ctenophores, another phylum. Since jellyfish have no hard parts, fossils are rare. The oldest conulurid scyphozoans appeared between 635 and 577 million years ago, in the Neoproterozoic of the Longyan Formation in China. Others are found in the youngest Ediacaran rocks of the Domingo Formation of Brazil, circa 505 million years ago. The main feature of a true jellyfish is the umbrella-shaped bell. This is a hollow structure consisting of a massive transparent jelly-like matter known as mesoglea, which forms the hydrostatic skeleton of the animal. 95% or more of the mesoglea consists of water, but it also contains collagen and other fibrous proteins, as well as wandering amoebocytes which can engulf debris and bacteria. The mesoglea is bordered by the epidermis on the outside and the gastrodermis on the inside. The edge of the bell is often divided into rounded lobes known as lappets, which allow the bell to flex. In the gaps or niches between the lappets are dangling rudimentary sense organs known as rhipalia, and the margin of the bell often bears tentacles. On the underside of the bell is the manubrium, a stalk-like structure hanging down from the center, with the mouth, which also functions as the anus, at its tip. There are often 4 oral arms connected to the manubrium, streaming away into the water below. The mouth opens into the gastrovascular cavity, where digestion takes place and nutrients are absorbed. This is subdivided by 4 thick septa into a central stomach and 4 gastric pockets. The 4 pairs of gonads are attached to the septa, and close to them 4 septal funnels open to the exterior, perhaps supplying good oxygenation to the gonads. Near the free edges of the septa, gastric filaments extend into the gastric cavity. These are armed with nematocysts and enzyme-producing cells and play a role in subduing and digesting the prey. In some scyphozoans, the gastric cavity is joined to radial canals which branch extensively and may join a marginal ring canal. Cilia in these canals circulate the fluid in a regular direction. The box jellyfish is largely similar in structure. It has a squarish, box-like bell. A short pedalium or stalk hangs from each of the 4 lower corners. One or more long, slender tentacles are attached to each pedalium. Most jellyfish do not have specialized systems for osmoregulation, respiration and circulation, and do not have a central nervous system. Nematocysts, which deliver the sting, are located mostly on the tentacles. True jellyfish also have them around the mouth and stomach. Jellyfish do not need a respiratory system because sufficient oxygen diffuses through the epidermis.